Is up? I am Abeer Rao. Welcome to the Python Crash Course 2.0. Who am I? Hi, I'm Abeer Rao. I'm 13 years old and I have a 3-year coding experience. I'm a high intermediate in Python. I have built several blockchain interfaces. I built multiple projects and a full-featured web application using Flask micro framework. I'm also an intermediate in JavaScript and I built several games including a full-featured blackjack game and also a Google Maps store locator. I also know the basic fundamentals of Swift programming. Why this course? Well, it's relatable for a lot of people. How? Because as you go through this course, you might face some problems. And when I was learning these things, I also faced a lot of problems. So that is why it would be relatable for me to oh yeah, you might face this problem. So I would give you the solution to that problem so that you never get it again. And if you do, you'll know how to solve it. And this course is very simple and easy to learn. Like, you could come in here knowing just the basic fundamentals of Python and you could go to a high intermediate level. And if you don't even know the basic fundamentals, I have another crash course which takes you through all the basics of Python. Link will be in the description. My goals for you in a nutshell. You will learn object-oriented programming. That means that you will learn classes, objects, class methods, and all that real cool stuff. You would also learn web scraping. You can download files from the web and search for things on any single website by just running one script. By just hitting one button, you can search all the websites at once. You can regex the life out of anything. Regular expressions, you pass them a 1,000,000-word file and they will look to each and every single character till they find the pattern that you want. And that pattern it can be anything. It can be dates, it can be time, it can be names or whatever. It's really cool. You can manipulate files like Excel, Word, PDF, image files, and you could change the contents, rename the files, change their location, add things, all of that. Watermark, encryption, super cool. And in the end, I'll teach you Flask micro framework, and with that you will be able to make a full-featured blogging web application. It will have everything. It will have user posts, it will have users, it will have comments, login, you can register, you can update your account info and all of that. You can even deploy it online. What will you get from this course? You'll get the status of being a high intermediate in Python programming, which is really, really cool and very profitable. And what's the best part? It's 100% free, which means no money, no hidden fees, no nothing. Just watch the videos and you'll be good. And also do the exercises that I give you. That's important too. What are you waiting for? I have given the entire playlist down in the description, so go check it out. All the videos are there. And if you are new to Python programming, you could also check out my first crash course. So that's it for me. I'll see you in the crash course.